Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks bringing you the daily Tesla report for Tuesday, April 18th, 2023. Before I jump to all the charts, please click like if you would. Helps us out a great deal in being found on YouTube by others who search for Tesla analysis. And also become a Wicked Stocks YouTube channel subscriber. You'll be provided notification each and every time new content has been uploaded. That includes the Tesla and Apple report, as well as the occasional market analysis video that's outside of that realm. And check out wickedstocks.com. You know, we offer a subscription package of a daily Triple Q, daily SPY analysis, 2 weekly stock picks every week, so forth and so on. So check out wickedstocks.com. Here we are with the big picture. Came off this longer-term channel bottom back in early January, now and still anticipating 226.47 over the coming, I'm going to say the coming weeks, although we are in the midst of a near-term sell signal that could yield a return back into the 140s perhaps over the next 2 to 3 weeks. That actually played out in part when we closed about a week and a half ago below this 197 2/3 speed line, but I mentioned at the time that we really need to wait for settlement below this channel bottom that is now at 189.37. So yes, we are in sell signal mode, have been for 4 trading days now, following the settlement last week below this channel bottom for the first time at 189.37. So the way I frame this is we remain on the defensive. We remain bearish through the rest of April below 189.37, expecting 146.06 actually is more of a start of a range of support down to 155.69. It really is 155.69 that is our completed objective. That also allows for the market to break 155.69 and slip into the 140s. This is a big zone of long-term support, able to contain selling through May, even the rest of the second quarter, and from here we can turn higher again. So 189.37 is also a day trade level, below which 180.54 in reach. That is the low settlement price from about 4 days ago when we had that spike high and we came falling back. That is an intraday support level. Holding below 189.37 does allow 180.54, intraday. Let me get back to that chart. I don't know what I just did, but I'm going to go back to that chart. So holding below 189.37 allows 180.54 intraday. And if we break 180.54, 179.22 in reach was the low settlement price right here. And I can draw a line all the way across right about here. So if we happen to break 180.54, 172.92 is likely today where we can place a daily low. So I'm not expecting a sell-off today, but holding below 189.37, that is the path of least resistance, so to speak. 180.54 in reach, the low from last week or early last week, a few days ago, 4 days ago. And if we break 180.54, 172.92 in reach, where we can place a daily low. Now, if we close below 172.92, in other words, at a new low settlement price following that February high, we may be only 3 to 5 days away from reaching this 155.69 channel bottom. And you can see actually this is well illustrated here, 172.92. If we close below it, probably 3 to 5 days from testing 155.69, the start of a range of meaningful support down to 146.06 that can absorb selling through May and even the balance of the second quarter. So for those of you who trade the 2 to 3 week time horizon, once again holding below 189.37, you may have bought 155 or 145 out of the money puts that don't expire for at least a month. For instance, that is the play. The next few days, 172.92 in reach, and that would be intraday if we break 180.54. The day trade is below 189.37, expecting 180.54. Being short below 189.37, taking profits at 180.54. Breaking 180.54, getting short again down to 172.92, taking profits at 172.92. I'm not interested in buying and holding the market overnight until we fall into the mid-150s over the next few weeks. Hi, if you enjoy watching our daily Tesla report, you'll love our daily Triple Q and SPY reports. They're presented in the same 5 to 10 minute video format. Our daily SPY and Triple Q analysis provides directional market signals that are correlated with highly specific price support and resistance levels. Whether your trading time horizon is short or longer term, we promise you a distinctive edge in your trading of the SPY and Triple Q. We offer a 5-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So go to wickedstocks.com right now and start receiving your daily SPY and daily Triple Q reports today. Now for the upside. If we happen to push or open today above 189.37, I think there's a very good chance we will test 197.15. And there's a couple things going on there. Not only that longer term speed line that held the March lows and we closed below a week and a half or so ago, but we also have a new sort of 1.5 week rising channel top in the same vicinity. It is a significant upside buy signal if we close above it. The way I've once again have been framing it is heavy into May below 189.37 and constructive, bullish into May above 197.15. So there is a scenario, of course, where we merely close above 189.37 and then tomorrow test the 197.15 area. Either way, 197.15 is an area that can also contain buying into May trade, and we can fall off. I'm not crazy about these structures, but I just go with what I see. And I could just sort of eliminate the whole 189.37 idea, but I think we still remain, susceptible to building selling pressures below 189.37. So it must be noted. I like to keep it simple and round out to one level only. And if I had to, it would be 197.15. In other words, rallies up to 197.15 can also be considered sell opportunities. As we move into May trade, we can fall off from here into the 150s, 140s over the following several weeks. Closing above 197.15, if you bought those 155 or 145 out of the money puts over the last week or so, I would suggest liquidating that for a smaller loss and reach for 225 out of the money calls, because I think that is the play then. Within 2 to 3 weeks of closing above 197.15, that 226.47 long-term channel top on the weekly chart, then expected, where we can top out through the third quarter and fall off again from here. It would be a settlement above 226.47. I think that would mark a good low for the year, and expecting then continued gains as we move into later year. But we are a long way off from that. I'll leave you with this image for today. We're not bullish into May trade unless we close above 197.15. Until then, we remain heavy into May trade, secondarily so below 189.37. That's all I've got for Tuesday's Daily Tesla Report. Please click like, please click subscribe, and please check out wickedstocks.com. You have a great day.